This is the new 36-volt cordless reciprocating saw from Hikoki. With variable speed on the trigger, this saw's got a brushless motor and 4-speed mode selection, switching it from 1700 all the way up to 3000 strokes per minute. The saw can be switched from linear to orbital cutting mode. Orbital mode is for cutting timber and your basic demo work. When you want to cut steel or cast iron, you switch it over to linear for a smooth, controlled cut. If you've done some Recipro work, you know Recipro saws vibrate a lot. Well, the first thing you notice when using this saw is that vibration is significantly reduced. That's from the unique twin counterweight system, which counters the stroke of the blade and reduces your fatigue while working. The foot is adjustable and changing those blades takes seconds with just a twist of the shaft. There's an overburden protection system on the saw that'll cut power if the blade jams. There's also a temperature protection system. These systems both will protect you and prolong the life of your saw in extreme conditions. Currently, this saw is available with 2 multi-volt batteries in a combo kit, and those multi-volt batteries are completely backwards compatible with all your old 18-volt Hitachi tools. There's also an AC adapter coming soon, so you'll be able to plug all your 36-volt Hikoki tools into a standard outlet. This is a great new addition to the Hikoki range. If you've got any questions at all about this 36-volt reciprocating saw from Hikoki, hit me up in that comment section below, and until next time, I'm Tim, you're watching Sydney Tools TV.